take a sentimental journey. I'm gonna set my heart at ease. I'm gonna take a sentimental journey to renew old memories. I got my bag and I got that reservation. I've spent each time I could afford. I'm like a child in wild anticipation, waiting for that all aboard. 7, that's the time we leave at 7, and I'll be waiting up for heaven, counting every mile of railroad track that's gonna take me back. Yeah, I never thought my heart could be so yearning. Why did I decide to roam? I'm gonna take the sentimental journey back home.